Hey everyone, Happy New Year! Today I'm gonna tell you about first update our extension this year. We have integrated container with group into a new main YouTube layout. You can change group. If you don't like it, you can disable it easily. Open the pop-up menu and click here and reload the page. We have added export your groups to bookmarks. Click on extension icon, next backup, and enable this checkbox. This feature is optional and requests additional permission. Click Allow and we watch folder PocketTube in your bookmarks. Next, if I create a new group, we watch it in bookmarks. It's easy. If you don't sync groups, you can disable this checkbox. Next, if you catch up some group, you can click on this number and all channels in this group will be marked as played. We made this feature more user-friendly. Thank you for watching it. Please like and subscribe. Become a patron. In this year we're gonna make special features only for patrons. Or buy me a coffee. Thank you for contribution.